The best quality hybrid and traditional photo lighting and shooting videos are available for you at ShootSmarterUniversity.com. And they're less than $10 a piece, too.
Hey there, it's Marlene Helema from DiscoverMirrorless.com, and just in time for the 4th of July, I've got some tips for shooting fireworks. I'm just going to give you one simple tip on how I shoot fireworks. A lot of people think you need a really long exposure, but actually my sweet spot is between 1 and 2 seconds, and I usually stay at 1 second. Wow, you probably think that's really short because, you know, fireworks, they're springing out, they're going all over the place. So what I did for these shots is I had it on shutter priority, 400 ISO, and I started with 1 second. I did a couple shots with my exposure compensation at the minus side, so -1 kind of thing. But most of them I just let it happen. I just let the camera do its thing. Now when I shot my video clips, I actually just kept it on shutter priority and I pressed the little video button at the back of the camera. I didn't go into custom video mode. I just kept everything the way it was. Because you know why? I was at a party. There was wine, there was beer, there was lots of food and snacks, and I just, you know what? I wanted to have fun with my friends. So I just decided, you know what? I'm going to let the camera take this one. When you shoot with such a short shutter speed like 1 second, timing is really critical. You need to anticipate when that fireworks is going to burst and be at its peak, and it might take you several times to do that. But the thing is to experiment and have fun. So wherever you live, if there's fireworks in your area this week or another time, I want you to get out and experiment. Your sweet spot might not be 1 second. It might be 10 seconds or something completely different. So get out there and try it, and don't forget to hit that video button once in a while too. All right, let's have a look at my shots and my video clips and my final show. I assembled my final show using ProShow Web.
Nice. Wow. Thanks for watching. Marlene Helema from DiscoverMirrorless.com.
The best quality hybrid and traditional photo lighting and shooting videos are available for you at ShootSmarterUniversity.com. And they're less than $10 a piece, too.